everyone. This is RJ Archana, and all thanks to Miss Neha and her very able team. I'm here. Thank you, Bela, for keeping your patience with me. And despite my lack of responses, मैं बहुत धीरे धीरे respond करती हूँ. My God, the first person to message in here is a man, Abhishek. Hi, Abhishek. Hey, hi to the Unimo universe of moms. Hi, Bela. Hi, Mrinmay. And Neha Kanabar. Actually, before I talk about anything, I want to talk about Miss Kanabar. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ये कम्युनिटी जो अभी 2 लाख मॉम्स तक पहुंच गई है, उसकी नेहा कानाबार, who's a Sagittarian and a complete fire rocket person. I was just thinking today about her and I said, you know, her surname is very interesting, Kanabar. It's like Andaman Nicobar. It's like going to a fun bar, like Kanabar. I'm sure this also God has sent you this surname with a reason. But thank you, Nehu. I love you too. And she's always been very supportive, very loving. Invited me to some of her best gatherings and said the most wonderful things to me. But that's not why I'm here. Actually, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा inspired हूँ in this lockdown by women. I know I'm one too, but I've not lived the life of a mother and I've not been in this situation जहाँ पे आपको घर पे रहना पड़ता है. And I'm sure most of you here have kids and have had to go through that phase, even if many of you are working today. But there must have been a phase where you had to lock yourselves down because of your kids. I want to you guys are great. रोज खाना पकाना हम सब पक गए हैं. कितना हम एक दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं कि we have to keep asking क्या पकाएं आज, क्या बात, दिमाग पक गया है. And moms do this like a pro. So thank you to all the mothers in our lives. मॉम की बात की और मेरी मॉम का ही फ़ोन आ गया. सुबह से हम लोग ने बात नहीं की है. So I just want to share with you all my life story a little bit and what inspires me, because a lot of people ask me, I'm sure like a lot of people ask Neha also, कि why and how am I like that? In the sense, excited, enthusiastic. Bhopal Bull Roshan, I don't know you. What will I say about you? I'm sorry. अच्छा, आप भी लड़के हैं इसलिए. Love you sexy. भोपाल जी, आप थोड़े ज़्यादा फास्ट हो गए हैं. पहले थोड़ी जान पहचान कर लें, फिर आप love you बोल सकते हो. But good you love. Good you're spreading love. Okay, that's fine. Alishba Sheikh. How are you, Alishba Sheikh? I know. Oh, overall there are 4 lakh. Okay. The Mumbai chapter is 2 lakhs. Oh my God, that's insane. You know, you guys, more strength to you. जब हम घर पे होते हैं, इतनी चीज़ें, अभी मैं आप लोगों से बात करने से पहले जब आ रही थी तो मैं गूगल कर रही थी कि यार मैं मैंगो मिल्क शेक बना रही थी. मुझे आज थोड़ी गाली पड़ी है. एवरी मॉर्निंग माई हस्बैंड लाइक, यू मेक द मैंगो मिल्क शेक द बेस्ट, सो प्लीज़ मेक इट. एंड दिस मॉर्निंग आई डिड. तो अभी ना मैं नींद से आई टुक अ क्विक नैप. नींद से उठ के ही मुझे ऐसा लगा, शिट, मैंने मैंगो मिल्क शेक नहीं बनाया. And then mango was a little bit all over my top. And I was actually Googling how do I get rid of the stains, because I was like, I love that top of mine. It's a mango top. I don't want to like mess it up. And I was thinking, this is what moms do, right? Like typically a daughter will call her mother or somebody reliable like Neha and ask. She has a solution to everything. In fact, एक RJ होने के नाते मेरे पास solutions होने चाहिए थे. But I remember how Neha rescued one of the mothers who was stuck at KM Hospital. Thank you, Neha, for that. Hi, Preeti. So a lot of my family actually is a part of the Unimo universe, because obviously my sisters, my cousins, a lot of my friends, they become moms and they want to be a part of something exciting. And I feel वही है. What the lockdown has taught us, what Unimo has been doing, कि आप remotely लोगों को कैसे खुश रख सकते हो. You know, the kind of competitions you all have kept. सिंगिंग हो, फोटोग्राफी हो, जो भी आप शेयर कर रहे हो. बट मेरी लाइफ की जर्नी के बारे में मैं क्विकली बताती हूँ. बिकॉज माई मदर हैज़ बीन द बिगेस्ट इन्फ्लुएंस इन माई लाइफ एंड सो इज़ माई डैड एक्चुअली. दोनों के बीच में बहुत सारी पॉलिसीज़ थी. येस, पॉलिसीज़ इज़ द वर्ड, विच मेड माई सिस्टर एंड मी इन अ सर्टन वे. मैं बहुत हटके थी, मैं बहुत हटेली थी और हमेशा वो क्वेश्चन की ये इतनी ज़्यादा पागल क्यों है. But my parents had always made a pact कि we will not fight in front of the kids. एंड द अदर पैक्ट वॉज देयर डॉटर्स, वी विल मेक श्योर कि उन शादी करना उनका चॉइस है, नॉट ऑफ इट्स नॉट फोर्स्ड अपॉन देम. एंड दिस कमिंग फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स जिनको पूछा नहीं जाता था कि आपको किससे शादी करनी है, क्या है, जस्ट this is the girl we like for you, I hope you like her, get married, that kind of a thing, you know. My chachu still cries, I didn't get to see my wife before I married her types. So when parents make wise decisions, it goes a long way with their kids, I feel. और मेरी मॉम और डैड का इन्फ्लुएंस वही था. मैं जब खाना पकाती हूँ, आई नीड माई म्यूज़िक, आई हैव टू डांस वंस इन अ डे. इनफैक्ट मैं कल ही सोच रही थी कि आई थिंक एक हफ्ता हो गया मैं डांस नहीं किया, एंड लास्ट वीक आई वॉज अ बिट डिप्रेस्ड, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट हूव लेफ्ट अस, बट जनरली पता नहीं मुझे थोड़ा सा लो फील हो रहा था. एंड द ओनली थिंग दैट हैज सेव्ड ग्रेस इज माई मॉम्स कॉल्स, डूइंग योगा, एंड जस्ट कीपिंग पॉजिटिव इन लाइफ. एंड दैट आई हैव सीन इन माई पेरेंट्स. सो आई सॉ वॉर, द गल्फ वॉर, जब हम कुवैत से इंडिया वापस लौट रहे थे इन 1990, और उस दौरान कोई भी किसकी भी फट जाती, यू नो, स्पेशली क्योंकि मैं शायद 13 साल की थी, 12 साल की थी. ऑल ऑफ अस वर रियली यंग, एंड फॉर अस टू बी द टेकन केयर ऑफ इन द वे. एंड इफ यू सीन एयरलिफ्ट, यू नो माई स्टोरी. माई मदर इज सो शाना. आई थिंक तभी नवरात्रे चल रहे थे और रमज़ान का महीना था, जैसे एक रमज़ान था या कुछ, हाँ कुछ तो मुसलमानों का भी कुछ बहुत बड़ा पर्व था. तो माई मॉम, she told the bus driver, we were driving from Kuwait to Baghdad, she told the bus driver, मैं तुम्हें एक गोनी दे रही हूँ चावल की, तुम बस मेरे लिए माता के भजन के कैसेट चला दो. Now the reason I'm sharing this with y'all is it's the sense of giving, जो रमज़ान के महीने में बहुत लोग बात करते हैं, is so important. Why do we all love Neha, or why are you guys a part of Unamo? Because it's all about giving. She's thinking मैं कैसे दूँ, किसको हेल्प करूँ, क्या करूँ. And that kind of is rare in us. You know, we're always thinking about ourselves. Some of us maybe are not thinking about ourselves, but उसमें भी हम लोग गलत कर रहे हैं. खुद के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए. स्मिता, आई टोटली एग्री विथ यू. मतलब अगर म्यूज़िक चल रहा है और मैं कटका और झाड़ू करती हूँ ना, तो देन आई फील लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट लाइक माइकल जैक्सन इन स्टाइल. सो या, I think that sense of giving that my mother has taught me has really helped me in my life, because then I don't look at any individual, including my watchman or whoever I encounter, as somebody different. They are mine. तो मेरी मम्मी जब हम लोग रोड पे गाड़ी में जा रहे होते हैं तो किसी को गुब्बारे बेचते हुए देखती है, किसी को मतलब समथिंग वेरी स्ट्रेंज बेचते हुए देखते हैं. बेचारे लोग पेट पालने के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं. सो दैट सेंस ऑफ sensitivity we should all keep. That's all I really want to say from the beginning to the end of this chat, that please keep your sensitivity alive. क्योंकि बहुत टाइम ऐसे होता है कि लोग हमसे रूडली बात करते हैं, कोई हमारे बारे में बिचिंग कर लेता है, कोई हमें नीचा दिखाता है, तो हम अपनी वो एक सेंसिटिविटी लूज़ कर लेते हैं. बट we are very fortunate that we have great leaders, or you know, I think great mentors in people like Neha. And we can also be inspired all the time. And yeah, I know, Pia, I'm very, very aware. So for my dad, I want to say this. If you've seen a movie called Life is Beautiful, it was directed by an Italian director, Roberto Benigni. It's about the Holocaust, कैसे वो सबको मारने निकले हैं, और एक पिता अपने बेटे को बोलता है कि देख हम एडवेंचर पे आए हैं, अब देख कहाँ क्या होगा. हैं वो लिटरली दे आर पैक्ड लाइक सार्डीन्स. दैट मूवी इज़ अनबिलीवेबल, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. एंड आई थिंक टू ग्रेट एक्सटेंट माई फादर हैज़ बीन लाइक दैट. कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, लाइफ में कमी चल रही हो, पैसों की कमी चल रही हो, कुछ भी चल रहा हो, ही वॉज ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग एंड सिंगिंग. एंड इन फैक्ट ही यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज सिंग वन सॉन्ग, वी आर गोइंग ऑन अ समर हॉलिडे. दिस वाज हिज फेवरेट सॉन्ग. और हम जा कहाँ रहे होते थे, शायद घर से स्कूल और वो हमें छोड़ने आते थे. सो आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग आई हैव हैड फ्रॉम हिम इज टू बी हैप्पी नो मैटर व्हाट. एंड ही इज समवन हु, लाइक माई मदर, कंसिडर्स द वर्ल्ड हिज फैमिली. तो सबसे हंसते खेलते बातें करते हैं. शायद ये इस वजह से मैं आरजे बनी, क्योंकि आई कैन टॉक टू एनीवन. आप मुझे कहीं पे भी बिठा दो, मैंने चिपकलियों के साथ बात की है इस लॉकडाउन में. बहुत कम दिखती हैं वैसे, पर जब दिखती हैं. और बर्ड्स के साथ तो मैं करती हूँ, if you follow me on Instagram. But I think that's the biggest quality for my dad. And I think the bestest quality that he has is family. For him, his family matters, and just being balanced at most times matters. So he left a very high paying job in Kuwait and came back to us saying कि नहीं, मेरी बच्चियाँ बड़ी हो जाएंगी तो फिर फ़ायदा ही नहीं रहेगा मेरे लाइफ का. I want to see them growing up. So yeah. So luckily he did take us for many holidays. My chacha's kids and us, all of us went together to my first international trip was UK and then US. बहुत घुमाया पापा ने, Canada भी लेके गए थे उस time. And I always thank him because he made it look like one big party. And that's what life has been ever since. He wants to get everyone together, cook and feed. Typical Sagittarian. Neha, Sagittarian. Mother's a Leo, fierce. So yeah, I guess my conversation today is about that this lockdown is, जो मेरे लिए वो एक वॉर का सिचुएशन था जिसने दिखा दिया लाइफ क्या होती है, कि आपका घर आपका नहीं है, आपके लोग शायद आपसे बिछड़ जाएंगे, बट लाइफ विल गो ऑन. एंड वीव ऑल had to confine ourselves in this lockdown. We've all had to see life in a very different way. मतलब today I'm really more than missing my house help, जिनको हम बहुत प्यार से बाई बुलाते हैं. I genuinely appreciate her, क्योंकि मैं सोचती हूँ ये अपने घर में भी ये सब करती है, फिर हमारे घर में भी ये सब करती है, और फिर 4-5 और घरों में भी जाती है. So bless her. And it's important to appreciate than to always do kit. ये ठीक से नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. मतलब आजकल मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, लड़का है, वो खुद ही सब काम कर रहा है, तो वो कह रहा है आज मेरी बाई ने अच्छा खाना बनाया, खुद के लिए बोल रहा है, इसीलिए उसको सफाई माफ़ है. So I know. So I think the best thing about this lockdown has been we've all got some quality time to go back to the basics in our life. I feel like that series of Flintstones, जहाँ पे आप Stone Age में चले गए हो और आपको वो सारी बेसिक चीज़ों का मज़ा लेना होता है. एक दूसरे के साथ टाइम बिताना तो एक होता है, लेकिन एक साथ मिलकर खाना पकाने का मज़ा, म्यूज़िक सुन के खाना बनाने का मज़ा, वो that charm that I think somewhere we've forgotten because we were too much in a hurry. It's kind of slowed us down and it's taught us that. And I hope it brings more humanity, क्योंकि मैं आसपास देखती हूँ लोग फिर भी काफ़ी रूड हैं, प्रूड हैं, and I think the physical distance, because I believe a lot in hugging and touching people, and that's going to be less now. तो मैं उसको लेके थोड़ी सी worried हूँ. But the lockdown has been of a great learning, I think, and I hope, because most of us have not been able to do online shopping and shop endlessly, we have discovered all the lovely things that are there in our cupboard. And Neha saying we miss our bai the most. Thank you, Pia. You've been so positive. So yeah, I think at the end of it all, it's about also tapping on your hidden talents, which Unimo is doing, yes. But most of us have it. And I think for me, it has been my yoga and trying to meditate. Actually, I think I wanted to read more and say थे हाँ लॉकडाउन में मैंने 15 बुक्स पढ़ लिए, but I realized वो मेरे से नहीं हुआ, because हम लोग की responsibility towards how we were handling radio had doubled, because I was doing all kinds of interviews. I think my most inspiring interview has to be Dr. Shruti from Jaslok Hospital. She said, Archana, इतने लोग मुझे देख के, क्योंकि she's a mother of 2 herself and is every day going to the hospital, but a lot of her colleagues have stopped coming. और ये हमारी एक अजीब पार्ट ऑफ संस्कृति है कि पहले तो ये वायरस को हम लोग ने रावण से बदतर बना दिया है, एक भूत बना दिया है कि इससे हम डर जाएं. और दूसरी कि अगर किसी को ये वायरस हो या हो सकती है, उनसे हम ऐसे बर्ताव करें जैसे वो इंसान ही नहीं है. So she was saying that a lot of her staff was actually threatened by societies, that they will kick them out, they'll kick their parents out, and they should not come back home. And because they couldn't face that humiliation or risk their residence, that's why people stopped going to hospitals. So I feel really sad, and I loved what she said. She said, जब जवान जंग के लिए जाते हैं तो ये थोड़ी सोचते हैं कि मुझे गोली लग जाएगी, मैं वापस चला जाता हूँ. पर हाँ, उसको जवान को ये पता होता है कि अगर गोली लगेगी तो वो शहीद हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे बहुत अलग हो रहा है. I really urge all of you to not look at this as a disease and treat people like as if they were some alien who've come on earth. It's just like any other virus. It's just that we don't have a solution for it right now, and we have to be smart about it. So yeah, please sensitize people around you. कभी कभी क्या होता है, लोगों को लगता है उनको सब मालूम है, आपको लगता है कि सबको सब मालूम है. They are as sensitive and sensible as you are to be part of Unimo and to learn and to grow, but they're not. And that's one of the biggest things I want to share with you today. My mother is so beautiful. She wakes up every morning and her thought is, who can I help today? And I think because she's been a homemaker, more confined to her house, she always feels like she missed out on that opportunity. Actually, I'd love Neha to meet her. I think my mom will be one of your biggest crusaders ever. She's fabulous. Her human connect is unbelievable. तो she waits कि वो कब उनको कोई मिले जिनकी वो मदद कर सकती है. Why am I saying this? Because हमको ऐसे लगता है in this beautiful new age world of ours where we are all hip and happy and self-sufficient, it's not in us to call someone and ask कि आपको क्या चाहिए. Because हमको लगता है नहीं, it might not look good, उसको क्या लगेगा, and we think 100 things. I think if you want to be selfless, just be there for people. It's the most beautiful thing that you will ever have done for yourself and for others. You don't have to go in their lives, but yeah, you have to at least be aware of their lives. Otherwise, you will never know. And that I am totally guilty of. कि I lose touch. My mother's constantly like, she'll let me, अच्छा ये आंटी को फ़ोन कर, वो ठीक नहीं है. She'll feel good to hear from you. अर्चू ने फ़ोन किया. I'm like, how can she think so much about so many people? We don't have the time, I know. But I feel like even if in this lockdown, I feel this has been the biggest boon. That we can do video calls and, chat with people and have fun with them. Pia, obviously my mom's photograph is not here, but Mother's Day is coming. Happy Mother's Day to everybody here for the 8th. I think it must be the most beautiful experience of your lives because I saw all my cousins, and my sister, of course. I actually saw a birth process in London on the 25th of December because my niece is a Christmas baby and I saw her get delivered. So I feel like a mother myself, and all my nieces and nephews are very special to me. So if you go into my Facebook or my Instagram account, you will see my mom's photo on Mother's Day for sure. She's a typical Leo, very fierce, beautiful, and very loving. So what I wanted to share is that be there for people even if they don't seem like they need you. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. Everyone needs everyone. I'm sure there are days where even somebody like Neha would want somebody to ask her कि भैया कुछ चाहिए क्या, because she is the one who's asking that to everyone. So Neha, I'm sorry, I'm guilty. I've never done that for you. But we will. So and I'm my biggest fear is not enjoying this moment. Is like, like ये minute भी चला गया अभी अगला. So I really fear that. So I tell God कि please make me thankful for every second of my existence if I can be. I know we all have bad days. I know some days we don't feel so good about things. But the fact that I have this phone to hold and to be able to talk to you, the fact that I've a wonderful friend and a very loving soul in Neha as someone I can talk to anytime I would want. It's a big gift. We have gifts and these are gifts, and we should, more than gratitude or anything else, we need to be in that spark of the moment. And what is it that you've always wanted to do? I think ये lockdown अच्छा time है, please कर लो. Whether it's reading that book, whether it's reaching out to somebody who you've always wanted to reach out to and chat with. These days I think with Instagram and with the internet, accessibility is so much more. So that day my friend was telling, my best friend's very wise. She was telling me, "Acha sun tu, why don't you start networking for something?" I was telling her. So I said, that's a very good idea. So that's where it is. We all need to be there for each other and push each other to be our best. And I'm sure you do that with your kids and you have enough and more on your plate. But I thought I must share my life and times with you because it's been wonderful. And frankly, radio की जैसा कोई industry नहीं है. क्योंकि मैंने इंडस्ट्री के मिनिस्टर से तक बात कर ली है, डॉक्टर से बात कर ली है, कोविड पेशेंट से बात की, जो बाय द वे लेडीज़ फ्रांस में पेस्ट्री बनाने का कोर्स कर रही है. एंड शी टोल्ड मी दैट इन हर 19 days of a fierce fight against COVID, the two things that have saved her is pranayam and meditation. And I said, how can you be so sure? She said, because when we were younger, my brother and I used to go for yoga classes, and he had asthma, and he actually rid himself of asthma because of yoga. So yeah, please go for it and do it and experience magic, I'm telling you. Namrata, Jui, Deepa, all of you, thank you so much. I think I'm going to end this. Hi Ritu! I'm going to end this beautiful chat with just a quick song, because I always believe in the power of music. And मुझे अगर कोई audience दे देगा और मैं गाना नहीं गाऊँ, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. Like my husband says, you only want to sing. I said, yeah. Actually, these days I should be memorizing songs, मुझे याद ही नहीं रहते हैं. और अब मेरा screen इसमें है, तो I can't even Google the lyrics. Which one do I want to sing? So it's a very unusual song. I'm not going to sing a happy song, but it's one of my most calming songs. I just love it. Aki, can I use your phone for lyrics? Sure. My husband's here, thank God. Okay, so the song is Tum Pukar Lo. It's one of my favorite tracks. And I think Hemant Kumar just killed it with this one. तुम पुकार लो, तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो. ख्वाब चुन रही है रात, बेकरार है, तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम. सॉरी. पुकार लो. होठ पे लिए हुए दिल की बात हम जागते रहेंगे और कितनी रात हम. मुख्तसर सी बात है, तुमसे प्यार है, तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो. दिल बहल तो जाएगा इस ख्याल से, हाल मिल गया तुम्हारा अपने हाल से. रात बेकरार थी, बेकरार है, तुम्हारा थैंक यू एवरीवन. लाइफ इज़ वेटिंग फॉर यू. वो बेकरार है आपको पुकारने के लिए, आप सुन नहीं रहे हैं. सो बहुत शांति है आजकल. ऑटो रिक्शा नहीं चल रहे हैं, ट्रक्स नहीं चल रहे हैं और बहुत जल्द हम लोग हमारे स्टूडियो वापस जाने वाले हैं. सो आई सजेस्ट फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट एंड मेक श्योर यू आर पार्ट ऑफ माई जर्नी एंड सी माई ब्यूटिफुल मॉम एंड डैड एज वेल on the 8th of May. Happy Mother's Day in advance to all the women who've hopefully got some amount of self-speculation and some time for yourselves. I hope you remember you're the most important and the most crucial part of your homes, like the heart and the soul. So be very, very, very careful about how happy, how beautifully you're protecting your happiness. And yeah, please be happy. That's always been my mantra. And thank you everyone who's joined in today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Divya. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Archana Deshmukh. Thank you, everyone. And see you on the other side. So my handle on Instagram is Archana Pania. That's ARCHANAAPANIA. Congratulations for the 4 lakhs. Strong community of Unimo. I really know this is going to go places because you all so care for each other. And प्यार का दूसरा नाम, love का दूसरा नाम care है. So I think care goes way beyond. Thank you, Neha. Thank you to the entire community. You guys are awesome. And I hope you've killed it during the lockdown. Bye. See you.